Hi, so in this video, we're going to look at how to import your browser bookmarks. This is available for both Chrome and Firefox. So you go to Imports and Integration and scroll down, and you open Browser Bookmarks. They will first check if you have the Chrome extension or the browser extension installed or not. In order to import the browser bookmarks, you need to have the extension installed. So you don't have the extension installed like it is the case for me here right now. First thing first is it asks you to install the extension. So here I open directly Chrome, and I add Chrome extension. Add the extension. I don't need this, and I'm just going to pin it because that way I have it more handy. So now that I have it installed, I open my browser bookmark again, and as you can see, here I have, rather than the step to install the browser bookmark, I have to choose directly what I want to import. So here, all of the folders you have will appear below. And you can select whether you want to select all of them, or you just want to select specific ones, or more importantly, you can open it and then choose individually which you want to import. As you can see, there's a difference between the checkbox being full or being empty. If the checkbox is full, it means everything within that folder has been selected. If the checkbox is just half selected or empty, as you can see here, it means that it's only some of the items from within that folder that are being imported. In this case, I want to import everything. And just for you to know, each of these websites will be processed and uploaded individually, and then the folders themselves will be created as topics and automatically connected to then the items within them, to the websites within them. So I click on import. Similar as the previous integrations, this is something that can happen in the background, so you don't have to stay here. And you can then see exactly when it was created, when it was last updated, what was created and when, and the total of what was then created. If you then want to upload again some additional bookmarks, you just click on import again, you select which are the folders that you want, and then click import. Important thing here to note is in myReach, you never have duplicates, which means if I were to select everything again and import it, nothing would happen. Tags, as you can see, no tags have been created and no websites have been created. Why? Because they already exist in myReach, which means that if I were then to save another bookmark and I would then have 3 websites bookmarked, only that one additional website would then be created. So this is a brief summary of how the bookmark integration works. As mentioned previously, it works for both Firefox and Chrome, and down the road we'll be looking at other browsers. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below, or check our handbook where we then explain everything in slightly more detail. See you in the next video.